Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out Instagram ID from other devices. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings and Privacy, and proceed to Account Center. Then choose Password and Security. Here, look for the Where You're Logged In option and click that. This will display all the Facebook and Instagram accounts that are linked to your Meta account. To log out from a specific device, select your Instagram account and it will show the list of currently logged in devices. Click Select Devices to log out, and then it will show you the devices and check boxes across the devices. So in here, just check the device where you want to log out from and then click Log Out. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Instagram account from other devices. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!